everyone, welcome to lesson 5 of YCT standard course. On this lesson, we are learning about numbers and we will also learn how to count. In today's lesson, we are learning from 0 to 4. Now, let's start. Ling means 0. E means 1. A means 2. San means 3. S means 4. Now, let's count the numbers backwards. S, San, A, E, Ling. Now, let's cut the numbers forward. Ling, E, A, San, S. This is the end of today's lesson. Please remember to like, share, comment. Hit the subscribe and notification button. See you next time. Goodbye.